The neighbor's dog is pregnant, buddy. Do you know anything about that?
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
So I'm making these guys food, right? Bro, who just took a shit on this man's head? Oh my God!
Cutie, sit. What a good boy.
Look, it's the donut truck. We gotta go get it.